super dark outside. I'm in the kitchen, which means that I just got home from work and I'm gonna cook something. So I'm just gonna have the same salad that I had yesterday because I still have a little bit that it's left. But I'm gonna mix it up a bit and I'm gonna put it inside a wrap with some melted cheese and some avocado. So I'm gonna do a burrito style thingy. And I thought while I do that, I could just chat to you about how's it been going, well, how I'm feeling, and like all of that. So I've just put a pan on here. I'm gonna warm it up a bit, and I'm gonna put the tortilla and I'm gonna melt the cheese. While I do that, I'm gonna cut the avocado. And I guess I just wanted to talk to you because it's officially, it's officially halfway through Vlogmas, and I'm feeling happy that I've done it, but I felt like it wasn't festive enough. And oh, that avocado is not this ripe. Let me check the other one. So yeah, obviously I wasn't expecting my Vlogmas to be like extremely festive and Christmassy, because I knew that I wasn't gonna do anything Christmassy, which makes sense. I'm really proud that I did this whole Christmas Vlogmas. But when I'm saying I'm proud is because I managed to do it. Like, I managed to upload every day. And yes, sometimes there have been a couple or actually a few pre-recorded videos. But other than that, I still managed to do it every day. And like film every day and edit every day. And that makes me so proud that I was capable to do it. I don't want to jinx it. There's still half of it to go and I'm super exhausted. And there's more and more stuff to do. Yeah, I think after this Wednesday, because this Wednesday is my final deadline before the university holiday. So this Wednesday is gonna be the last extremely busy and pressuring day. And then yes, I will still go to work and I'll have that. But I won't have the pressure of the projects, which is actually the thing that it's consuming me mentally much more than work. Because work is pretty much, I go there, I do my job. It's exhausting, but that's it. When I come home, it's done. While uni, well, I go there, I think about it, I come back, or like I don't go there anymore, it's just online, but I'm here, I have a class, then I think about it, then I have to think about it more, and then I think about it before I go to sleep, and then I think about it when I wake up in the morning, and it's constantly there until the deadline. And then when the deadline comes, it's just a huge pressure, like a huge relief, a huge pressure lift off our shoulders. So it's a huge feeling of relief. But that being said, it's still difficult. I feel like life is much more difficult where you are a student and you're also working than when you're only working and you're doing something on your own time. Because imagine that, yeah? You are a student. You have like half of your time, you have to spend it learning and doing something, doing projects, reading books and all of that. That's half of your time. The other half of your time, you have to go to work because, well, you need money to survive. And that's great if you don't need to do that. That's great if you don't work. And if someone is giving you money, either your parents or anyone else, I don't blame that. Like, I think it's much easier. I wouldn't want that for me personally, but I can see why everyone goes for it because it's so much easier and it's like the perfect young adult years because you don't have to struggle. But imagine, so you have the time you work, half the time you study. Then you want to do something on the side. So for me, that's YouTube and that's my freelance work. There's already 2 external projects outside uni and outside work. Then you have to have a life. So I'm grateful that I have my boyfriend and then I don't have to go dating and I don't have to go out that much because we are on the same page and we like staying inside and we like being with each other this way. And I don't have to put that much time into it because we live in the same house. I don't commute anywhere to see him. I don't have to go out somewhere physically to see him. He's always here and that's such a help for me. But if you wanna go out and like go out with friends or like go out on dates, then that's extra time. So half uni, 1/4 life at work, and then you have 1/4 left. How do you spend that 1/4 between friends, love life, like external projects? How do you spend that? Time management is such a huge thing that you need to learn if you're working and you're going to uni and all of that, because otherwise you're screwed. Like, you're physically, you can't do it, and you're gonna be exhausted and burned out. And I still feel like I have great time management skills. Just wanted to get rid of the watery bit so I can just do this. Is it burning? Oh, it's burning. It is burning. It's a little bit burned, but not that much. Okay, maybe it's a little bit more burned, but again, not that much. It's fine. We'll manage. And I'm gonna put all this avocado on top. The tricky part when you burn a tortilla is that you're not gonna be able to wrap it. So this is a burrito now. I'm gonna see how I eat it, but basically this is what I came up with, and yeah, it's nice. I'm gonna eat it as if it was a burrito, a huge burrito. But I'm gonna go eat. Before I'm gonna go eat, I'm gonna finish what I meant to say. Basically, if you don't have great time management skills and you're studying and you want to work and you want to have a life and you want to have a love life and you want to have a project or something on the side and you don't have time management skills, you're just, it's no bueno for you. So that being said, learn how to manage your time. I don't even know how I got here, but that was what I wanted to say, because I feel like that's the main thing that's describing my December, because I have to do Vlogmas, I have to do projects, I have to work, I have to do my freelance things on the job, like YouTube, I have to work into my website, I also have to spend time with my boyfriend and like take care of the things around the house, do laundry, cook, survive. Like, it's hard, man, it's hard. And this is not complaining whatsoever. I love it when it's busy. I love it when I have so many things to do. But sometimes you need to just say, no, this is it. I'm stopping here. This is too much. I need to remove this, this, and this from my life in order to be able to breathe at the end of the day and like have an hour or how many hours you need for yourself, where you just do whatever makes you feel like you're relaxing and you're spending quality time with yourself, with your own person, because that's what's gonna keep you going. If you're gonna work every day from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep and like don't take any breaks, then you're gonna be exhausted and you're not gonna want to keep going. And having a bit of time for yourself, just like I'm gonna have now while I eat this tortilla, is gonna take me like 15 minutes maximum. It's gonna be my time to not do anything work related, university related, just watching something or watching an episode of something, or like just sitting with myself. And I suggest you do that if you don't already, and if you do already, great, keep it up, because that's what's gonna keep you going. And that was my little rant slash unsolicited advice for today. Now I'm gonna go eat this. They say Santa ain't coming around. Trust me, I'm waiting up for you.